Good morning. So we've got another rainy day here at home, and the good part about self-distancing is when you're married to each other, you don't have to worry about it. All right. So today we are going to talk about working from home as a couple, as well as we need to understand like what we've been doing from a work standpoint, especially Karishma because she works in Brooklyn, and Karishma has been working in this uh, location for the past 5 years, I guess.
Yeah.
But she's actually worked in this company, what, 11 years now?
Yeah, nearly 12.
12 years. So, you as what? You joined as a manager, right?
I joined as a manager. Yeah.
And then what? About 11 years later, she's now an executive director.
That is
So,
correct.
so what does it show in terms of growth and commitment and value to the company?
Yeah, I think titles are obviously a great way to, externally and internally motivate yourself so you feel like your career is progressing. But to me, I think also what is more important is the kind of work that you do. How is your role? Is your role really expanding with each passing year? Are you learning? I also always look for that to say, again, it's not just about the titles. The titles are great, they make you feel good. And if you're in a good company, they kind of give you some good remuneration and salary and good financial gain. But I always think about what are the two things. One is, what are you able to contribute? What's the impact that your role can make to the organization? And then two, more importantly, is, are you learning? Are you personally growing? Both in terms of subject matter expertise and just overall professional behavior.
So, before we move to the next question, Karishma, show us your setup for working from home. So,
It's
this is what
pretty
she's been
simple.
using for 45 days, guys. So, 45 days she's running a global operation from this setup.
Yeah, so it's pretty simple. I know some of you have very, very awesome looking, desk setups and standing desks and multiple screens. And I wish I had multiple screens. I think I have that at my setup at office, but it's here, it's pretty simple. I just have a normal laptop. And then I use my iPhone both for my Zoom video kind of chats as well as.
So, guys, I
pretty
lent her my
straightforward. Yeah, thanks
tripod.
to Ryan.
I lent her the tripod, and this is her 11 Pro Max. And what laptop are you using? A Dell.
This is a Dell.
Okay.
This is just a standard
So I have a
Dell.
lot of tech savvy people on my group. That's why on my followers.
Yeah, that's why I said my stuff is pretty simple. My desk is our dining table, which
Yeah.
I love because it's nice and big, and we multitask through the course of the day. So this dining table becomes my workspace. It becomes, my daughter's study table. It becomes our craft table, and it also is our dining table. So,
So
I pretty much like
speaking
it.
of speaking of our kids, we have two kids: a son who's 16 and daughters who is 9. So Karishma, you've been doing a lot of Ivanka's schoolwork. Tell us how that is going, the online schooling.
Yeah, so the kids are obviously going through online instruction at this point in time. And what that essentially means is all their assignments, their teachers are giving their assignments, they're giving their lessons, their quizzes, even their tests are all happening online. Here we have both of them set up on what is called as Google Classroom. And so they're pretty much in touch with their teachers, they're in touch even with their colleagues and not colleagues, but their classmates. The way it works is that every night or first thing in the morning, the teachers post the assignments, and those assignments could be self-study, it could be a new topic that's kind of coming through. So they're expected to kind of go through all of that, and then they have quizzes, they have writing assignments, they have math assignments related to that topic which they have to submit. So it could be on that day, and it could be, they could get a couple of days as well.
I think they're doing a Zoom call too.
They have Zoom calls periodically, both my son and daughter. What I love is even during this time, the special assignments are pretty much on point as well. So the music teacher, sends the music lessons. Their gym teacher, their physical education teacher actually gives them workout challenges that they have to report back on. So it's very interactive. I think the teachers are also trying very hard to kind of bring the class community together.
Yeah. So, being Friday, we are kind of in a casual mood, but Karishma and I, other than being husband and wife, we were college classmates, So she was 1 year junior to me in Symbiosis Pune, where we did our HR MBA. So we're both in the human resources function. A lot of people ask me what I do for work, etc. We are both available on LinkedIn, so you can check there. But we are both in HR, which we did 20 years ago.
Yes, I've also done
yeah.
it.
So
I shouldn't age myself, but yeah, it was 20 years ago.
yeah. So Karishma, as young as she looks,
Wow.
passed out 20 years ago from college. So we're both lawyers in labor law, labor welfare, postgraduates, and MBAs in HR. Okay, so we've put in the work in college and school, and that's why when people ask, how can I afford 3 cars or 2 cars and bike and everything, it's the hard work and education that is paying off. Okay, we've not had any luck or lucky breaks. It's all our hard work. So Karishma, these 45 days, how have they been overall? Working from home.
I think it's the new normal. Everybody is saying the same thing. To be honest, I think the first couple of weeks there was a lot of unknown for all of us, and both in terms of information that we were getting from the media, from the health agencies, in terms of what that would do in terms of our work setup, what that would do from a schooling point of view. So I would say like the first week, 10 days, I think there was a lot of maybe open questions in all our minds. But I think now we've all settled into a very nice natural rhythm. We know we do have some semblance of a schedule. We do get information, and really hopeful that the end is in sight, and we'll all collectively get out of it in a positive way.
Yeah, so guys, this is just one talk about the work from home, but we can always do more talks in these lockdowns about career, about growth, about company culture. We work in HR where we get an insight into employee issues. So we don't want to share specifics, but we can always share what kind of issues we deal with. And also, a lot of the youngsters, Karishma, ask about jobs and career and growth.
Yeah.
So your take on like people who keep moving jobs very fast versus someone like you who spent 11 years in one company. I worked many years in one company also. What are the pros and cons according to you?
Again, I think it's a very personal decision, but my sense is always, obviously, as Ryan's mentioned, I've been with my org for a fairly long time. And I think as long as you feel that your career is progressing, both in terms of title, but like I said earlier, more importantly, in terms of your growth and impact, I personally feel that there is a lot of value which comes in tenure and longevity. And the other reason for that is, again, my personal view is that you can always go in, do something for a year or two, and then jump a job and start afresh and start again. But I think the value in my experience also comes that if you've been in the organization or in the role over a period of time, you're also seeing the impact of your decision. So the decision you took in year 1, if you're sticking around in year 2.5 and year 3, whether that decision was right or not, or what was the impact on the organization. So that's the way I kind of think about it. But again, it's different strokes for different folks. Sometimes there is also a scenario where you may feel like you've reached the dead end, right? There's no growth, or even there could be a scenario that you've joined an organization and the company culture really doesn't suit your own personal values. I think in those cases, obviously, it's better to cut your losses and look for alternate opportunities. That's what I would say.
Yeah, so I totally echo what she says, and she's been working in New York, Brooklyn for 5 years now. So Karishma has a flavor of New York as well as Mumbai. We worked in the Tata Group for many years. So Tata's, we all know the brand. It's one of the biggest, amazing brands in the world out there. So so thanks Karishma for your few minutes, and she gets back to work now. She has meetings all day, though it's Friday. And my most important question to her is, are you getting your salary?
Thumbs up. Fingers crossed, thumbs up.
Okay, so the salary, aside of the virus and the lockdown, the salary is coming in because of the hard work. Okay. Thanks, Karishma.
Thank you.
Have
for
a nice
having me.
weekend.
Happy Friday, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, guys. Take care. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this kind of videos. And let us know in the comments what more you would like to discuss for career, education, work-related topics. All right. Bye. Have a nice weekend.